It's just before 10 o'clock on Cumberland Drive. Water is gushing up from the ground, a sure sign of a broken water pipe. We want to take you through a typical repair timeline. Our public works crews repair an average of 120 breaks every year. 11 minutes later, the first call comes into the Ridgeview pump station from a resident reporting the water line break. Crews arrive to the scene within an hour. The work to isolate the leak begins. Workers now know the location of the damaged water line, so they turn off the water. The next step is to identify other utility lines in the immediate area of the broken pipe. A 2-hour window starts for a dig test to either locate other lines or clear the repair work to continue. By 2 p.m., the men are cleared to dig. They start removing concrete to get to the source of the leak. An hour later, the digging continues. At 3:15, they locate the exact source of the leak. They then notify the health department of the water main break. But there's still more digging needed to make room for the actual repairs on the broken pipe. Less than 2 hours later, they start cutting the damaged pipe. By 7 p.m., the men remove the damaged section of the line. 40 minutes later, the clamps are on. The water line is repaired. Over the next 2 hours, they backfill the hole, turn the water back on, and clean up the site. The repair has ended. The job on Cumberland Drive took a little longer than the average time of a repair, from when the first call comes in to the cleanup. It usually takes between 8 to 10 hours. And while we estimate about 850,000 gallons of water was lost in this break, it only required 3 feet of replacement pipe. So as you can see, repairing a water line is no easy task. It is a complex and challenging process. Our team of public works professionals will work as fast as they can to stop the leak and get your water flowing again.